Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, there's a two-door coolers. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The units will be about like 54.5 inches long. And about like 32.5 inches in the depth. And the overall height, there will be about like 80 inches tall. As you can see, the unit is a glass door unit. It tempered glass and with two layers inside. We open the door, you will see we're having the circling fan on top of it and LED light strips right here, and they have on the side too. And we come in with a 1, 2, 3, 4 shelvings, and the shelving is adjustable. And you can see the top, we have the controllers. You can set in the temperatures and the lights and the switching buttons right here. They come in with the lockers for both doors. And let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. For the unit's entirely depth will be 26 inches. And their inner side heights, they are about like 49 inches tall. And the unit's wise inner side about like 49 inches. And as you can see, the door is a soft close. That's all information for the front. Let's take a look at the back side informations. As you can see, the back, we're having the sticker information right here. They come in with the ETL sanitation approval stickers and the diagram stickers right here. Also, if you're looking down the units, we're having the grill cover the compressors inside and the evaporator drain sinks right here. And the units coming with the 110 standard plugs from the US. And if you have more questions about the units, please contact with us. And thank you so much for watching this video.